It is now the governor's turn to review the fetal heartbeat bill. The Senate voted 25-7 to send it to his desk. The bill would outlaw nearly all abortions in Idaho by banning them once a fetal heartbeat can be detected. Abortion providers would face up to 5 years in prison and could be sued by the women they provided the procedure for. The sponsor of the bill, Senator Patty Ann Lodge, says, quote, "This is good legislation that gives a preborn child the same rights as a mother," end quote. The bill has exceptions for rape, incest, or a medical emergency.